Hey, boys and girls, for your math assignment today, you'll click on math. Remember, you need to open view assignment. You do not click just right here. Otherwise, you won't be able to turn in your work. So press view assignment and it takes you to the long page. All of your problems are listed on the Google Doc. Get a pen and paper to watch the video and complete the problems. Attach a Google slide and a photo of your work. Remember, I've already shown you how to attach a Google slide and take a picture of your work. So I'll attach that video here in case you need it. Now, here are your math problems, and it says Abracus. So let me introduce you to my friend Abracus. This is Abracus. He has a wand and he does magic. Abracus helps us remember that when we're making math problems easier, sometimes we compensate by adding or subtracting numbers so that the problem is easier to do in our head. And Abracus reminds us of that. He's another character from Mathville. So let me show you this addition strategy using Abracus and the abacus. So we will be using our abacus for this activity. Now, you don't have to use an abacus for this activity, but I am going to show you with mine. So let's see here. Our first problem is 9 plus 16. So when I write that problem down on my paper, number 1, 9 plus 16, I know that some of you can already do this in your head, but I'm going to start out really easy and then I'll do a double-digit problem. But on the abacus, if I have the number 9, okay, remember, Abracus is magic and he likes to make things friendly and easy. What's friendly is counting by tens on our number line. It's really easy to do that. But counting by nines, not so easy. So Abracus, abracadabra, will change and he will compensate. 9 is not easy to count by, but 10 is. And it was only one bead away from being 10. So what we'll do down here is abracadabra, change that 9. We will add 1 so that it's 10. Now the problem is 10 plus 16, which is much easier than 9 plus 16. 10 plus 16 equals 26. I can do that on my abacus. 10 plus 16, which is made up of 10 and 6, equals 26. Now, because Abracus changed the number 9 into the number 10, we have to remember to change it back. So abracadabra, if we added 1 earlier, we need to take 1 away. Now my number is 25. So what I do is take the 26 minus the 1 that I had magically added earlier. And now my answer is 25. So this is to help you add a little bit easier. We're just making the numbers easier and then adding those small parts later on. Let's look at our next problem. 14 plus 9. Okay, so I'm going to copy down number 2, 14 plus 9. Now, when I look at the number 14 on the abacus, 14 is not an easy number to count by, and it's 6 away from a friendly number. That's pretty far away. So what I think that I might do instead is look at the number 9. Abracus could change 9 because he'd only have to add 1 more, right? So instead of changing the first number like we did last time, let's change the second number because it's very close to a friendly number. We'll add 1. So now instead of 14 plus 9, we have 14 plus 10. And even without an abacus, I know 14 plus 10 is 24. But remember, I magically added 1 so that I could add it in my head, which means now I need to take my answer, 24, and magically subtract what I added earlier to get 23. So 14 plus 9 is 23. 9 plus 16 was 25. Okay, good luck using Abracus and thinking of your abacus and what it would look like, what the number would look like on the abacus, how many beads would be left until your next friendly number. Okay, good luck, boys and girls.